Check out this 2012 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are passenger airbag, power windows, locking limited slip differential, power mirror, passenger airbag sensor, cruise control, passenger airbag on-off switch, split bench seat, and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.